Alright guys, these are some pickups we got today. We're going to do 2600s. This one's Plaque Attack. Now, what did you say? This thing's $16 is what it's worth?
Yeah, it's worth like
Paid
15.
$2 for it.
I think it's like 14 or 15.
How come it's doing that?
Did you just move it?
I hit reset.
You screwed up.
And you didn't put the good tape on it. It's not the good tape. You gotta ask Ricky for the good tape. How do I start? Okay, there we go. Ooh. Fix it!
So if you can't tell, he's toothpaste.
Yeah, you're in a mouth and you're trying to stop tooth decay. This is an Activision game. Just push up on it. There we go. Or two. Reminds me of the fast food, which was another. Was that Activision too?
Yeah, the fast food?
Yeah, that was the one I had as a kid.
Yeah, we still have it.
Might have been Parker Brothers.
Fast food is a... Tell
Board 3, French fries.
It's not either of those. Oh, however, my toothpaste is left.
Yeah.
Oh, so you don't want to waste your bullets then? Because you lose toothpaste. Right?
Yeah. No.
How come at the end it gives it put in the toothpaste stuff?
I don't know.
See?
Maybe I thought it was just an animation.
This is a good game.
It is. It's like Space Invaders.
You only got 2 teeth.
You can move around. I got 4 teeth.
You got that
I
redneck.
got 4
You got the hillbilly mouth.
Yeah. You got an extra guy. Or
You
extra
gained a
tooth.
tooth. You grew one back. You're sharp. These don't.
Yeah.
Oh, you're down to 3 teeth. You're down to 2 teeth. Oh, you let that. That was awful.
I'm just going to sit here and shoot the spot. It doesn't hurt you to touch it. That's good. Candy canes. Brush your teeth, kids. Yeah, I got another tooth. I got 2 teeth.
You got your 2 front teeth.
All I want for Christmas is my tooth.
So you still can't eat nothing.
I lost it.
Ice cream is taken away.
Is that what those are? Ice cream folks?
You
They're
guys
like
know?
garbage cans.
Garbage can.
Oh, like a McDonald's one back in the day. I see. It's green though. Isn't that green?
It's one stack of green. It's yellow with ice cream on top. So you do run out of toothpaste. You ran out of toothpaste.
Oh, I guess that's how you lose. There's no game over or nothing.
No, it's just a black screen.
What was the other one we got?
It's you sitting there with no teeth and all gums.
All guns.
We have where is it?
I don't know.
It's there. Did I take it out? Oh, it's on the floor.
Show them the thing on there.
We have
Yeah.
Porky's.
Porky's Activate or 20th Century 5. I didn't even know it was a thing. This one's for you, Malcolm. So, show the other one too. That's another one that was like a $16 game, right?
Yeah, they're both like 14, 15, 16. Now this one was giving me an attitude, so
How's it work?
I just have to clean it. I didn't clean this one. Let me clean it real fast. Talk to them while I clean it.
No, we're gonna stop it. We'll be right back. Alright, we got it working. I have no idea. Is this like Frogger?
It looks like it's Frogger. Oh, maybe this died. What the heck?
What is going on here? How do you get up? What's the button do? Which one is the button?
It's B.
B.
Or C, or one of them. Is up jump? You have to reset.
What am I doing? Alright, let's reset that and see if we can get further than
Don't
we
shake
did.
it this time. Okay, there we go. You did.
Okay. So the goal is to get Porky's.
Oh, you look a drunk dude going to the bar.
You're a teenager trying to get to Porky's because Porky's was like a strip club, and you wanted to see boobies. And they had the classic scene where they're looking through the peephole in the gym.
Porky's
Oh, what was that?
What's Porky's from? Oh, you have to grab that and like pull yourself across. What movie's Porky's from?
Porky's.
So so the
That's
whole
the
point of the
movies.
movie was teenagers trying to get.
Yes, it was a coming of age.
Is it a 70s movie?
Yeah. What the heck is? No, it's 80s.
That's such an 80s movie. That's such an 80s.
What the heck is this?
It's a pull. Get to Maybe you gotta fling yourself and then let go unless you can jump out and like get to the top. Yeah. That's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is like really hard.
Oh, you went on the wrong side.
Well, you still can't go nowhere.
You have to get that little dot that's flashing.
This is crazy. I gotta get back over there.
The first one you have to jump. The first one you have to jump.
There is no jump.
No, the first one you don't have to let go.
There is no jump.
The first one you don't have to let go. You don't have to let go. You can just go.
I don't even know how I flung myself. That was an accident.
You let go.
No, that's not what I did. This isn't.
Hold the button down, then hold forward while you hold the button down.
That's not the way it works. That's not the way it works. It's like you gotta get it to hold it first, and then you move sideways. But then. Okay.
I think you were just holding.
Alright, I'm reset one more time. We're gonna try and get to the Porkies and not fall in the water. Okay. Go way down here.
Now don't get hit by the girls. Are those strippers?
I don't know what I give up. You wanna try?
Yeah.
So you can see that it's not. Oh, just
Give
jump,
me the
just jump, just jump.
Give me the controller.
Just jump, just
Stop
jump,
whining.
just jump.
Give it to me.
Don't tell me what to do.
Yes,
Don't tell me what to do.
I can freaking older brother. You want to play? Too bad.
Here. You can sit here.
It'll reach.
I'm not gonna make it go. Nope.
Oh my god, you're such a baby.
You're a baby. Show me your skills. You suck. Let's see you fling it. Yeah, it was a total accident when I did it. It's gotta be like a double jump or something.
The surface game is broken.
I don't know.
What the heck?
Well, I don't know how you get out of it.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. I thought you had to like get the piece or something.
We gotta watch the movie to figure out what we're supposed to do.
I'm not watching a movie.
This was a classic teenage raunch film. Had boobs in it.
All films
and had Pee Wee.
Pee Wee Herman?
No, Pee Wee.
Oh, every time I get a nugget, the ladder gets taller.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, just look at this one. Then you see it? Just went up a little bit.
Okay. So we're figuring it out, huh?
Oh. No, I just died. I have to restart. I'm not doing this.
No, it's still tall.
No, isn't it? That's what this
Same height. You don't die until the numbers go to 0. You know what I mean? What shitty mechanics. It could be the controller, too.
It's not like a nice controller.
Yeah, but it doesn't mean it plays well with the mechanics. Because it's not a Atari.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get across.
What?
I'm gonna try to get across.
Okay. You won't get there. You got hit reset already. I don't think you're fast enough.
It's a stupid car.
No, it's the stupid one after the car.
Okay. Well, I think this is gonna be about
it
for Porky's.
Yeah. Yeah, hope you guys like, man. Maybe we'll find something. Actually, why don't you hit reset, see if it shows the different stages? You know what I mean? You know how they play through the...
No.
No, turn it off and on, and just let the intro screen go on. They gotta have it. Yeah, see, like, look at this. What is this all about? He blows... Oh, that's right, they blew it up.
They blew the strip club?
Yeah, because they made... I'm trying to remember what the storyline was. The guys that owned Porky's went after the kids or something like that. Maybe, or I don't remember.
Well,
it's Hick stuff. I don't even know how it got created. It was so bad. There was more than one. That's the best part.
There always is.
Porky's 2.
Okay.
Alright, I guess that's it. Like and subscribe, guys. We'll click on the other ones out later. See ya.